Scratch is a visual programming language. It assists in developing interactive stories, colorful cartoons, games, and graphics. With the help of Scratch, you can create content that includes characters with the appropriate sounds and effects. You can also instruct the character to perform specified actions. To understand how Scratch works, let's learn how to download the Scratch application. Start a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Type https://scratch.mit.edu/download. This link will redirect you to the Scratch website. Once you click on the link, the Scratch home page appears. Now, select the required operating system. By default, the Windows operating system is selected. Now, click Direct Download. The Save As dialog box appears, or the file gets downloaded directly in the Downloads folder of the computer. Further, go to the selected destination and double-click the setup file. You will see that the Scratch 3 Setup installation wizard appears on the screen. Click the Install button on the wizard. The installation process will take place. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button.